Thanks for watching Moving Traffic Media's technical SEO case study video. If you're going to redesign your website, your migration plan needs to consider SEO before launching. While working with an international publishing client, we were tasked with an emergency request to repair organic traffic losses created by a newly redesigned website. Unfortunately, SEO was not considered early in planning. After the new site launched, organic traffic dropped immediately. We discovered their new CMS impacted organic traffic because of poor information architecture, URL structure, content, and design decisions. Not planning for SEO before their launch meant we had to implement a recovery strategy. We quickly developed metadata and title generation through a mix of automated and custom implementations. Then our technical recommendations were put in place to limit content duplication and optimize URL structures. Finally, 900 high-value SEO page-level redirects needed to be transitioned to the new URL structure. Recently, we reported the highest level of organic traffic ever complemented by strong growth in sales from organic search. If you are redesigning your website, it's best to have an SEO team in place both before and after to mitigate any loss in organic traffic. Contact us to learn more about our custom approach for each client. Moving Traffic Media. Search, social, display.